I would just eat it with my hands, I guess. I think it's an egg mix batch already. Oh, I don't know if no, it's actually not an egg mix batch already. It's just some batter, and then he's gonna put an egg on it, and then yeah. Spring onions. Not a perfect Jianbing, but it is a Jianbing nonetheless. That and that. Okay. So he's taking all the bits and pieces from me and placing a little bit. Normally they put a bit more, but I guess because he didn't turn the thing properly, so. But nonetheless, it still looks quite nice, I have to say. Okay. This year, thank you. Is my makeup good? Here is a Jianbing. As you saw from the video, it wasn't made perfectly as it normally is. I think I put him under a little pressure. I think so. Now, I would just eat it with my hands, I guess. The difference in having it just in a plate and having in this here, they put a special barbecue sauce on it. It's definitely a Chinese type of sauce, but it's very tasty. It kind of makes it like a sweetish sort of pancake. Your carrots, and you got your ham in there, and celery, and your spring onions, and so it just kind of makes it lively. And that sauce kind of brings it all together. In terms of presentation, pretty nice. And here in China, you can see that this dish, wherever you go, you will see these spots, these Jianbings, just stations or in the shops, and they make it with much more various things than what you saw. That's sausage. I look at that sauce again. Baozi over here, sausage, Chinese style sausage, and also the yam, pickles on the side. And today it has some vegetables in it, a lot of greens in it. Whether it's meat baozi or just green baozi, you can't deny that it's just really delicious. You might have seen this in my hotel quarantine video. When you have a baozi, then you have all these pickles and everything. I'm not sure what the fascination about this is. Maybe it's a substitute for potato for them. I'll try with some of the pickles. That's my breakfast. It's been my breakfast for the last 2 weeks. Solid breakfast, I would say. It gives you everything that you need. It's not the bacon and eggs that you're accustomed to, but it gives you exactly what you need. And it gives you a whole lot of flavor. Great breakfast. Oh, I forgot to say, they have a banana loaf here. I mean, like real banana loaf. Plain sort of banana loaf you get back home. Very nice.
Let's go fish sightseeing.
That raw fish.
是这样说的吧？斑马鱼是真的。
你们这上面有买鱼是下来了。
And that's a wrap on the Sanya videos. Go back and check out all the videos marked Sanya if you haven't seen them. Till next time, I'll see you on the next video.